If you want to perform ear tips fit test of your AirPods Pro 2nd generation, first of all input them inside your ears and go into the settings of your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Now keep scrolling and go right here, ear tip fit test. Tap on it once, click continue, and now start playing sounds. Okay, that's actually weird. Okay, I probably know what is the issue. So you have to be sure that you enable this automatic ear detection. So now it will work. So go into the ear tip fit test. And now we don't have to remove them. Okay, and as you can see right now, it's finished, and here we got the result. We got good seal for the left and the right one. But if you have the bad one, then you will have to replace your ear tips, and that will be all. Thanks for watching.